The main reason was Thermwood has got a good name. I've known them for years. I don't have to worry about programming. It's already coming in, ready to go. I'm in the cabinet business as soon as it gets installed. So I needed the CNC aspect of the cut center. And when you guys opened that up, it even became, even more, advantageous to buy it. It's amazing what it's going to do. And the nice thing about it is they've engineered a lot of the setups that people may miss. The little things that you got to know, measuring your tool, where the tools are in the position and all that. It's all in the cut center. I mean, it's hard to have an operator error on it. You're gonna have to override the machine. The machine knows what it's supposed to be doing. As long as you just, cooperate with it, it's gonna steer you in the right direction. You don't have to have such a highly experienced or calibrated employee to run it, which is getting harder to find. I expect some pretty good growth on the cut center on the cabinet end, which means every set of cabinet jobs I get is probably going to be a new customer, so it's another set of doors. And probably within a year, I'm going to exceed the capacity of the cut center and either have to put on a second shift or put in another machine, which is a good problem to have. They've only got one style of cabinet, face frame. And then one of the other competitors we got on the West Coast, the only RTA cabinet they offer is a frameless. Nobody seems to offer both styles from the same source. With the cut center, we're going to offer, both framed and frameless, plus material options, and then all the door options, all the hardware. It'll be pretty much a full package if they want it. It's more impressive than what I expected, especially when we did the visit down there for the training. I was really impressed with the amount of personnel and the caliber of personnel there. And, having never owned a Thermwood, I could just sense the support that's going to be there, just because of the quality of people that I met there. It's amazing how well Thermwood's put your experience and probably the input that you've gained from all your customers into the design of that cut center. You've thought about every little way that somebody can mess up and make an error, either designing that cabinet or in the operation of that machine. Anybody can walk in and run it.